Welcome to today's video. We're going to transform your kitchen into a well-oiled machine of culinary efficiency. We're talking about smart tools that bring order to the chaos and make your daily routine easier. A tidy kitchen is more than just pretty pictures for Instagram. It makes cooking enjoyable, saves time, and reduces stress. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice, the right tools can make all the difference. In this guide, I'll introduce you to some of the most innovative and smart kitchen tools available. These items will transform your kitchen into a space that's both visually appealing and highly efficient. Let's get cracking. First up, we're tackling the mountain of mismatched containers cluttering your cupboards. Bin them. Invest in a set of stackable food storage containers with airtight lids. Decant your dry goods, pasta, rice, grains, and snacks into these uniform containers and label them clearly. No more mystery powders lurking at the back of your shelves. Use a permanent marker, a label maker, or carve it in if you have to, but make it clear what's inside. Stack these containers in a designated pantry area. Create a dedicated zone for your dry goods, all neatly stacked and easily accessible. No more rummaging, no more avalanches of flour and sugar, just pure organized bliss. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, we're banishing countertop clutter with the foldable cutting board. This multifunctional workhorse will revolutionize your prep work. Chop your ingredients on the flat surface, then fold the sides to form a channel. Easily pour your prepped ingredients directly into your pan without spilling a single diced tomato. Choose a board with a non-slip base to prevent accidents. The last thing we need is your perfectly diced vegetables ending up on the floor. Safety and efficiency, that's what I like to see. Now let's talk knives. A chef is nothing without his knives, but a cluttered drawer full of blades is a recipe for disaster. We need order, we need accessibility, we need a magnetic knife holder. Mount it securely on the wall near your prep station. Place your clean and dry knives on the magnetic strip. Your knives are on display within easy reach and safely stored. Use the magnetic strip for other metal utensils as well. Scissors, bottle openers, even metal measuring spoons. Let's be honest, most of you have a spice drawer that looks like a hurricane hit it. The solution is here, the rotating spice rack. Fill each jar with your favorite spices and label them clearly. Place it on your counter or inside a cabinet. For those with more spices than scents, opt for a dual-tiered design. This will maximize your spice storage and keep everything neatly organized. No more hunting for the cumin or the paprika, it's all right there at your fingertips. Spice up your life with organization. Listen up, you don't need a drawer overflowing with single-use gadgets. What you need is a multi-function kitchen scissors. These heavy-duty, sharp blades can handle everything from snipping herbs to trimming meat. They also come equipped with a built-in bottle opener and a nutcracker. One tool for 3 essential kitchen tasks. Look for scissors with detachable blades for easy cleaning. This ensures your scissors stay in tip-top shape. Remember, a dull tool is a useless tool. Now let's talk about the black hole that is the undersink cabinet. With an undersink organizer, you can bring order to this chaotic abyss. These organizers maximize the space under your sink. Use it to store your cleaning supplies, garbage bags, extra sponges, anything that usually gets tossed haphazardly under the sink. Choose an organizer with pull-out drawers for easier access. No more contorting yourself into a pretzel just to reach a bottle of dish soap. Tame the undersink beast. Plastic wrap? Cling film? Bin it! Those things are the devil's work. Embrace the magic of silicone stretch lids. These wonders are made from food-grade silicone, safe for contact with your food. Stretch the lid over your bowl or container for an airtight seal. They're reusable. Just wash them with soapy water or toss them in the dishwasher. Use color-coded lids to match different food categories. For example, green lids for vegetables, blue lids for leftovers. It's a simple system that will make your life easier. Let's be honest, nobody likes a cluttered countertop, especially when it's covered in drying dishes. The solution is here, the collapsible dish rack. Expand the rack to dry your dishes after washing. When your dishes are dry and put away, simply collapse the rack and store it out of sight. No more bulky permanent dish racks taking up valuable counter space. Look for a rack with compartments for cutlery and glasses. Organization is key, people. Listen, we've all been there. You're elbow deep in cookie dough, your hands are covered in flour, and you need to throw something away. Invest in a smart trash can. Wave your hand over the sensor, and the lid magically opens. Dispose of your waste without touching the trash can, keeping your hands clean and germ-free. It's hygienic, convenient, and surprisingly affordable. Use scented garbage bags to keep your kitchen smelling fresh. The future of trash disposal is here. Baking is a science. You need precise measurements to achieve consistent results. That's where a digital kitchen scale comes in. Place a bowl on the scale and tare it to 0. Add your ingredients, carefully watching the digital display until you reach the desired weight. Choose a scale with unit conversion to switch between grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. Precision is key, people. There you have it. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge. Now go forth and create a kitchen that's the envy of every Michelin-starred chef. A tidy and functional kitchen makes cooking a joy, not a chore. With these smart gadgets, you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing kitchen hacks. Share your favorite smart kitchen tool in the comments below. I'm always up for trying something new. Now get out of my kitchen and go make something delicious.